Welcome to our online classes. This is a science class for standard 3, chapter 5, our body, first unit 3, health and safety, and your chapter name is our body. So dear students, let's come. Today we are going to discuss unit 3, health and safety, and sub chapter name is chapter 5, our body. That means in this chapter we discuss about our body, like units of human body, sense organs, organ systems, like main organ system is skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, and nervous system. First, we know units of human body. We know, you must have seen our body has different parts. So our body has do all different works. For the different works, our body has also different types of systems. First, each part of our body is made up of tiny structures called cells. What do you mean cells? Over each part of their body, like hands, fingers, nails, brains, stomach, body, each and every part also made up of a teeny structures. The structure's name is cells. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of the life. That means cell सबसे छोटा structural and functional unit of a human body. Cells are many types. Like cells have many types. When similar cells join together to make a tissue, that means when एक से ज़्यादा cells join हो जाता है तो tissue system निकलते हैं. When similarly tissue joins together make an organ बनाते हैं. और when organs further join together to make an organ system. Like human body is made up of many organ systems which work in a coordinated manner to perform a particular task. And next, that means cells is the smallest structural unit of a body. Cells, when cells joins form tissue, when tissue joins form organ, when organ joins form organ system, and these organ systems for a human body. Next, sense organs. We know an organ performs a specific function. That means कोई भी जो काम हमारे हाथ कर सकता है वो काम हमारी पैर नहीं कर सकता है, जो हमारी आँख कर सकता है वो हमारी नोज नहीं कर सकता है. That means an organ performs a specific functions. Human body has also some special organs which help them to know their surroundings. That means these sense organs, these organs are known as sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. One is eyes, second one is nose, ears, tongue and skin. Eyes help us to sense the sight, ears help us to hearing, skin help us to touch, nose help us to smell, and tongue help us to taste things. This is the picture of our 5 sense organs. Next, organ system. Like अगर कोई इंसान को कुछ चीज़ खरीदना है तो अलग अलग दुकान जाते हैं. उसको एक ही दुकान में सारे का सारा सामान नहीं मिलता. जैसे उसको फर्नीचर चाहिए या फिर ड्रेस चाहिए या फिर राशन चाहिए तो उसको अलग अलग दुकान जाना पड़ता है. ऐसे ही हमारी बॉडी में जो बहुत सारे काम करता है उसके अलग अलग सिस्टम होता है. दैट मीन्स एनी सच ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स इज कॉल्ड एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम. When 2 or more organs joins together to make a work, this is known as organ system. Our body has many organ systems like digestive system. Digestive systems includes which parts? The mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine and anus. That means they work together to form digest food. Like this, there are also different types of organ system. Like one is skeletal system, 2 is muscular system, digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system and nervous system. That means in this chapter we discuss function of this 8 chapter. First we discuss skeletal chapter. Skeletal means this is the picture of skeletal. You know our school has also a skeletal body. हमारे स्कूल के पास एक skeletal है जिसको मैंने दिखाया था आपको. The skeletal system is made up of bones. That means skeletal system is made up of bones. There are 206 bones in our body, but a child has 300 bones. all bones join together to form a framework. This is known as skeleton. What is the function of skeleton? The skeleton gives support and shapes to our body, and it protects various delicate organs like brain, heart, lungs, and kidney present inside our body. Next, muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. That means muscular system is made up of muscles. Our body has more than 600 muscles. How many muscles? 600 muscles. These muscles are attached at bones. These muscles are attached with bones. What is the function of muscles? Now, muscles help us to various activities like running, eating, writing, and some muscles work also alone and some muscles work in groups. That means कुछ मसल है जो एक ही काम करता है और कुछ मसल जो वो पैर में काम करते हैं. Next, digestive system. Digestive system means digest. What happens to food? You know, we only eat some foods like rice, dal, curry, milk. Whatever you eat, this food is chewed with the help of teeth, which cut the food into the small pieces. During chewing, the food mixed with saliva present in the mouth. In the mouth, saliva presents. From the mouth, the food enters into the stomach with the help of food pipe. And next, stomach helps the food enter the small intestine and food pipe the stomach. And next, stomach comes to small intestine. And the digested food is taken by the blood and carried to the other parts of the body. And next, the undigested food goes into the large intestine. Here water is absorbed. In the large intestine, water is absorbed, and the waste is thrown out through the anus. This is the anus picture, and the waste is thrown out through the anus. Thus, this process is known as digestive system. So, digestive system includes many parts like mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Thus, important role in the digestive collector. Now, the body parts that play an important roles in the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Next, we discuss excretory. We throw the waste into the dustbin to keep our house clean. हमारे घर में जो वेस्ट निकलता है उसको हम लोग डस्टबिन में फेंकते हैं क्योंकि हमारे घर को साफ सुथरा रखना है. ऐसे ही हमारी बॉडी में भी कुछ वेस्ट मटेरियल निकलते होगा, उसको सिमिलर बॉडी हैज पॉल्सू वेस्ट रेगुलरली व्हिच हैज टू बी रिमूव रेगुलरली. दिस डन बाय द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. दिस सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हिच वन? किडनी, lungs and skin. What is the function of these parts? Now we have two kidneys. They clean blood and remove the waste from the body as urine, and the lungs throw out carbon dioxide. The skin helps to remove extra water and salt as the sweat. Sweat means jhala. Next, respiratory system. We need oxygen to live. That means we all living things need oxygen to stay live. This process is happened in the respiratory system. Which parts includes this system? The nose, windpipes, lungs. These systems include these three parts: nose, windpipes, and lungs. The nose, windpipe, and lungs are the main organs of our respiratory system. That means the air enters to the body through the nose, but there are small hairs inside the nose which prevents dust and germs from entering our body, and air passes through the windpipe to the lungs. The blood takes oxygen from the lungs and leaves carbon dioxide, and we breathe out this carbon dioxide through our nose with the help of this windpipe. Thus, exchange of gases and purification of blood takes place in the lungs, and this process was known as respiration. That means the exchange of gases and purification of blood takes place in the lungs. This process was known as respiration. There are some good breathing habits like how can we breathe? We should always try to breathe fresh air. Number 2, we must open window and ventilators to let fresh air in. We should breathe through the nose because the hairs in the nose trap the dust particles and do not let them pass through. That means we should not breathe through our mouth because inside our mouth has no hair but inside our nose there are some hairs who has prevent the dust particles to enter our body. That means we should always breathe through our nose. नेक्स्ट वन, वी शुड नॉट कवर आवर फेस वाइल स्लीपिंग. दैट मीन्स हम जब सोते हैं या फिर कोई काम करने के लिए आते हैं तो हम लोग को हमारे फेस को कवर नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट वेयर टाइट क्लॉथेस बिकॉज दे हिंडर द ब्रीदिंग मूवमेंट्स. दैट मीन्स हमें कभी भी टाइट वाला ड्रेस नहीं पहनना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम्स. This function of circulatory system is to circulate the blood throughout the body. That means we know this system helps to throw the blood to our body parts. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart, blood and blood vessels, and namely blood vessels, namely veins and arteries. Our heart pumps the blood and the blood vessels carry it to the different parts of our body. That means vessels carry blood to our different parts of our body, while arteries carry from the different parts of blood to our lungs. That means you can feel the pumping heart of our putting your hands on the left side. When we hold our left side, when we put our hand in the left side of the chest, we also know rhythm sound like luff, luff, luff. This is the circulatory system. Reproductive system, that means every living things also reproductive at the same way once. This reproductive system is responsible for producing young ones. This system consists of special organs. The systems help us to continue life on the earth. That means these systems helps to life on the earth. Next one is nervous system. Nervous system. Our nervous system consists of the brain. Our nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord and nervous. The brain lies in the skull in the head. This is the skull, and it controls all the parts of the body through the nerves. With the help of nerves, our brain controls all the parts of our body. Next, it controls all the parts of our body. This system controls all the body function like walking, hearing and feeling. That means our nervous system controls all the functions of our body like walking, hearing, feeling, eating, sleeping, etc. Brain is capable for surviving for 5 to 6 minutes only if we do not get oxygen. If we do not breathe, our brain is capable to survive only 5 to 6 minutes, and later we will be died. So dear student, this is the chapter 5 about our body, and this is a hard copy in which I write all the short notes and some questions according to this chapter. You should write all the short notes and questions in your science copy and practice it and wait for my next class. Thank you.